Hey guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to create Goku. That's right, Goku on Infinite Craft. So to do this, grab 3 water, create an ocean. After the ocean, what you want to do is grab Earth, create an island, double that to create a continent. After you create a continent, grab another Earth, I think. Yeah, put Earth underneath it and add water to it to create a plant. Add a lake to that, create a lily. Put the lily to continent, create a lotus. Put another continent to create Asia. After you've created Asia, what you want to do is get fire, put it underneath, double that, create volcano, add volcano to Asia, create Japan. Now that you have Japan, what you want to do is grab fire, Japan to get Godzilla, grab 1, 2, 3 lilies to create Narcissus, grab Japan, create anime. So now that you have anime, we're pretty close. Grab Godzilla, put it underneath anime, right? And then grab a lotus. Now you have Buddha, put Buddha to anime, and now you have Goku. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.